lots of ways to do it.
So you're showing me how to eat the oyster with some crackers.
So you have just whatever. A lot of people use all kinds of things.
What is this?
I don't know. It's probably horseradish. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's really raw.
Yeah, they're
Fresh.
raw. So some people will suck them right off the shell. So put them on the cracker.
Ah, I like it. The buttered one.
Some people put butter. A lot of people use hot sauce.
But never raw.
Some people use ketchup. I don't know what this is.
Spicy one?
Yeah, that's the stuff that you dip the shrimp in, whatever. Yeah,
What it tastes like.
like a goober.
Yeah. Is it my turn?
Is it your turn?
Is it?